Mala anda mandu ni jang saben kalai video malada kwiko kon nore do kon wanter do kon tiam kadwogo wanter do kon tiam ni ci koro dan mat ko do kon cham ji bial tin ci kon ko do kon ko tiam ludo ini bial tin de kwi dan irun mo ayo esit jwara wi kwida kun ngane yentame njogma ine win kon jayo nuori sajin gwabin jako bukon kumu bukon kap bukon kum bukon dia ayo bo si dung nuori kora dung dang yen bakkal wi dong wan takitin na jang bat koren ter kono bukon kuma mate corruption me bukon big do ko wantan kuma ne scholarship ni kenyin jani position kam dial ti dial kenyin jani ludo chan rodan mat ko bukon namo bukon tiam an kum namo si melet gad bo share mugwalong lo nuer lingne long melet jen kenene ga wongo bo o bo morodun karon wala ga mo ko be o bukon rodan mat ko kon nuer atelu ramle na la dak rame na loka rame ranga juk rame gajak rame bentiu rame panga ko kon ne kelo wai kon to kelo ngumbe de ko rodan el dak je ko ji kon gur kon le ti ke ron wala ka tan rodan mat ko nuer gumen der na unes ba arab besit der na gulle naz ismu naz spla majide naz spla majide naz almanas kwesin hajat kullu ba muluga kushin bet anina dere na gayru hukuma da lanu hukuma ta salfa kire da hukuma ma kwez hajat ba gebiliye hasalo zol der shukul mumkin awal lo mindek zol min hukuma ita ma betelga shukul zaman da zaman bita ayo nazayo da nas kwesin da nas mindu gebiliye anina biji fi juba anina butruju naz aspela maji da sene da sene bitana anina naz ayo o del nugule naz siyasin al-kabir fil ayo kale kun indukum amulu shajja ya kwez der na unes ba arabi basit kida mumkin mara jayna biji live ده نقول حاجة بسيط كده الناس اللي ما بيفهمني بالتاني بتاعنا رسالتي ده رسالة ماشي للناس حكومة لأنه حكومة تأسل فكير ده ما حكومة أسا وبو شيل ناس شفاس خير الناس اللي عنده أمور زي 16 19 بوديه في المكان مشاكل هناك لأنه نازل سخير دل ما بعرف بدوك سلا كيف كير بمسك ناس بوقوع سلف كير زول المايند موق ما غرر ما فات جامع ده نقول الناس دل الناس بيشجع سلف كير ما عنده مخ ما عنده موضوع زول قلبي بتاعه فل بقول شنو قبليه بتاعه خطير يعني yen nuoriko tende kwi jane cha gwab de kwi dun ko de tijurun antama ti yerodun el ko gena yu la tuken kon gur kono kon kuma bu kon ger kuma jegma kuma nengna kuma metel udena par kuma itiang nyir kuma itiang ku en jang en kuma no mabayi to ben ko at kom ken le je I think man wer mini jur ko kien tane ko bunkel kon wori gwal me cha gwal ko kidan ko kon le ruy ko jinu de la rotini want to bom rodun gwal me cha gwal ko ko kon yigile ruy ke ron wala ga ron ba gor kudaro wirje naro ngi bakele me cha gwal ko kidan kon tin char ko kon kumne me kon yidde na tabani zikiluli kun poini garo maini CDR ne to ko we kuma rum gan le tweet da malel gro len ken kon ti gwaben ko rodan yigmat SPLM viva SPLM ayo viva SPLM ayo viva. This is our time and we must overthrow this government of self-care. We don't want nonsense. The regime of self-care has already failed. This regime, it is full of corruption. When you see self-care, he just want his only family to be in power. He don't want to give power to other people. He just like his own people. Like now, big positions are being occupied by Dinka, but not all Dinka. Only his family. You see now, all big position has been taken. Those ministers and Salva Kiir has appointed his children. He has appointed his children to be ambassador. Even his daughter now, he gave his daughter a big position. You know, let us all stand to overthrow this regime. This is our times. This message is going to all 64 tribes. IO is not belong to Nuer. It is for all of us. IO is a good organization. IO, they are giving people, how can I say, opportunities to all. IO, it is full of 64 tribes. You cannot compare it to SPLMIG. Like SPLMIG, only Dinka, like big positions have been occupied by Dinka. You know, let us all stand together and to overthrow Salva Kiir. This is our time. We don't want nonsense. Salva Kiir even he don't want to give salary to those soldiers. Now he recruits small children to go to fight in a lower land. So, my dear friends, let us all stand together and overthrow this regime of Salva Kiir. Now we want to thank our leaders called Wiyat. Wiyat is a good guy and he's doing great job to all of us. We want to thank the active chairman Wiyat. Wiyat is good man. Wiyat, I really love you. My son Wiyat, you are doing good job. And we want you to stand firm because Salva Kiir now, he has already failed. Don't silence. Just we need your voice every day and we want you to encourage us
we want you to encourage those big soldiers who are in bush, because when you talk, we become strong. Yene dialtin bijodeling andor taraka but tokomale no but tokomono ko dong but garam de wo loide ngaje bo no but ganetin bu komen jek but mete grade che lar jeg yo ko invox ke message da bi ko lar ko bo chok loide bi ko rek do mo ngaje bo ri dial chicken go kel badan malada ladunu kon tana chonkel ko kon kumna bu kon yigju ntama chinele dit chinele tenega gat for how long bu kon chuj mane kon chi kon go de kon rui chi kon go de kon kumela kan chi kon go de kon daga big position ne kor to gin wal kan ne da 2013 I was very small, but now I grow and I have children. For how long my children will suffer? We want to overthrow these governments. Let us all unite ourselves to overthrow self-care regimes. Ini ideal tun guje ko online malada u channel contribution del ko bane chonkel boom ko bu kon kir kon yigju as well mayo viva an kume dani hayo me kumu go long kumu no go den ideal da far a jot jima dun self-care me kumu jero kuma michini din wan taka nak ci yene din wan taka bak ci yene di altin kwawo mislead ntama ko nga yite di Nuer ja nan bu go yit ko law Nuer gwami dara am dama dara net amu ci yen mo nike ron bas dor wel dio ron bas dor kudaru wel dio ron 2013 Kire has been using people. Kire mo de kon yipel kon ngi ju jen de ram no nu da de wi kwam kata de wi kwam ge che goro le di share telekon dul wal telekon chari telekon pi mak telekon university de kon ngi ju kum no mo je pel chini de alfare george. I want to add something a little bit in English. Maybe you will understand me. What I'm saying is the government of Salva Kiir, he has already failed. So Salva Kiir is using peoples. Like now, he don't want to give salary to the people of Soldier who are been in bush. Their children are suffering. Salva Kiir, his mind is not working. He has a psychiatric in his mind. He don't think very well. Salva Kiir, he does have vision. Like now, he don't want to build roads in South Sudan. There's no good road. There's no hospital. There's no school. Children are being suffering a lot. He has taken all family to abroad. So let us stand together and overthrow this old man. This old man is too much, ya jamaa. Malkum ya, Salva Kiir zol mind موضوع mind مق ما بفكر كويس بالناس بتاعه. Salva Kiir zol المايند unity. Salva Kiir, he used to divide people. Nina Junubin خلي الناس عملوا unity. لأنه أمك ده بتاع بيجي ناي بيجي too much. أمك ما بيعمل مدارس. ما في مدارس ما في مويه بيشربوه ما في مويه كويس حاجات كل بيبيهم من حبشيه ناس الابش ده يوم قداموا تجاريه في الجنوب كله وانت ما قدرت تكون تكون عندك business. سالفة كده ده ما زول كويس يا جماعة. الرسائل ده ماشي لأي زول اللي بيسمع كلام بتاعي ده، لأنه أنا قاعد نعمل ميكس، بونس بعربي بونس بتاع نوير بونس بإنجليش، عشان دير نعمل ناير عشان لو زول دير يسمع كلام بتاعي. لو ما كويس معلش، لو كويس ما عمل كومنت. يوم تاني أنا بيجي لايف بلا عربي كله، إنجليزي وعربي وبتاع نوير، ياو 3 لغات دي أنا بعرف. That is my message to you all South Sudanese 64 tribe. I want to tell you that IO is a good organization. IO, they don't divide peoples. IO, like you can think for what happened in Low Nuer 2 days ago or 3 days ago. They captured 27 SSPDF and they did not kill them because they want to show to the world that these people, this organization, they are good people and they don't want to kill people. Like now, when they want to capture any country, they used to inform before they go. It is shown that this organization is good. Let us stand and support IO to overthrow these governments. So we, the IO members, we coming to overthrow this government, and we realize that this Kir, he been using people without reasons. Like things about your future, for how long you will suffer, for how long this old man be in the power. Let's overthrow him. I'm up there walai bitaw hajat bitaw makwes. That is my message I want to leave you guys. So thank you for those who are listening to me, and I want to thank for those who comment down. Goy, Tom, Shankonyak, thank you guys. I want to appreciate you guys for your time.